How to access Sims Student from a laptop or PC. The first thing that you will need to do is open a web browser. In this example, I'm going to be using Microsoft Edge. Once your browser is open, browse to www.sirgrahambalfour.co.uk. Along the top, you have some useful links. Click on Sims Student. Once you get to the sign-in page, make sure you select the Microsoft option and enter your full school email address followed by your password. Click on Yes to stay signed in. You now have access to Sims Student, where you can check homework, reports and attendance. To see what homework has been set, click on Homework, and you can see the homework that has been set for this week. There is another way of accessing Sims Student rather than having to go to the school website. If you are already signed into Office 365, you have a quick link now on the right hand side, Sims Student. Click on that and it will take you to the Sims Student page. So that is how you access Sims Student from a laptop or PC.